Here is the true story of history, the queen who opened her palace. During the dark and tumultuous years of the Second World War, the Dutch royal family became a global symbol of resilience and compassion. While Queen Wilhelmina bravely led her nation's government in exile from Britain, her daughter, Crown Princess Juliana, sought safety for her young family across the Atlantic in Canada. The people of Ottawa welcomed the princess with open arms, and it was there that her second daughter, Margaret, was born, strengthening the enduring bond between the Netherlands and Canada. After the war, a liberated but scarred Netherlands began the arduous task of rebuilding. The joy of the royal family's return was tempered by the widespread suffering they witnessed. Cities lay in ruins, and countless citizens were displaced, their homes destroyed by the conflict. Touched by the plight of her people and remembering the sanctuary she herself had received, Princess Juliana made a profound decision. She did not retreat into the comfort and privilege of her restored life. Instead, she opened the doors of her own home, the Grand Het-Loo Palace, to those who had lost everything. This was not a symbolic gesture. It was a tangible act of solidarity. The palace's stately rooms, once reserved for royalty, were transformed into bustling, hopeful spaces for Dutch families and refugees. In this powerful act, Princess Juliana demonstrated that true leadership is not found in presiding over people, but in walking alongside them in their time of greatest need. The great message: leadership isn't about power, it's about compassion.